8. Natural cure for hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism is a situation in which there is an excess amount of thyroid hormones in the body. This generally occurs because of excessive intake of iodine, grave diseases, secretion of thyroid stimulating abnormally, overactivity or inflammation of thyroid gland in the body. The thyroid gland is a small gland which is situated at the front side of your neck near the voice box, and it is very essential part of our body. It should be treated as soon as possible to avoid further dangerous complication. Fortunately, there are several natural treatments available for hyperthyroidism that is capable of effectively curing it without creating any harmful side effects. First, dietary changes. To have a proper and healthy functioning of the thyroid gland, some dietary changes needed to be done. Some food needs to be removed from our diet, like foods which contain low iodine, and all the unhealthy food items needed to be avoided. A good amount of vegetables like spinach, soybeans, dairy, etc. are needed to be added in our diet. Second, acupuncture. The ancient and the most effective method for curing any type of disease is acupuncture. It has been proven in many cases that acupuncture is the most effective cure for hyperthyroidism. You can also take the help of an expert acupuncturist for this. Third, avoid stimulants. Since we are curing the excessive production of hormones from the thyroid, all the stimulants like caffeine and nicotine must be avoided, as it can deteriorate the symptoms of hyperthyroidism. So, in order to maintain the stability, stimulant must be avoided. Fourth, lemon balm. The lemon balm, that is basically an herb from the family of mint, absorbs the thyroid hormone. That are a great tool for managing hyperthyroidism. It can be taken either as drink like a tea or a food supplement capsules. Fifth, antioxidants. Antioxidants help in eliminating the surplus amount of thyroid hormones, which is produced by glands. Decaffeinated green tea and vitamin C acts as a good quality of antioxidants in our body. Sixth, vitamins. The intake of vitamin supplements will work wonderfully on curing faster. According to experts, the vitamin B12 and C considerably repairs your body hormones and enzymes contain thyroid unnecessary hormones. The reduction of vitamin B12 seldom considers the reason that give rise to hyperthyroidism and other related symptoms. Seventh, Primrose Oil. It is one of the best way to treat hyperthyroidism naturally. This essential oil plays a significant role in maintaining opposite thyroid functioning. Eighth, black walnut. A rich source of magnesium and iodine, it helps in strengthening thyroid gland and also helps in the proper functioning. Taking a handful of black walnuts is generally recommended to get rid of this problem easily.
Thanks for watching.